Toys for you. Hey friends, would you like to know how this little turtle works? Well, let's find out together.
And voila! What do we have here? It seems we have a lot of motion. Let's go deeper and find out the secret of this turtle. Yeah, the usual on-off switch, wires, the brain, the speakers. There we have the motor. That moves for the tail. And wheels A and B spin for the movement of the legs. That's ingenious.
Hey, did you like that? Please let me know and press that like button. Thank you.
Let's have an understanding. Now what? Brother, what a way to run a railroad. Now, as I was saying... All right, let's get this picture started.